welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another wig review for you guys, and I'm excited to review this wig. This wig is gorgeous, okay? And it's going to be one of the trending wigs right now. It's going to be a headband wig from Niawigs, and this is going to be their 16-inch headband wig, and it is a natural color with a highlight of 30. We're going to go ahead and get into all the details, but before we do, make sure to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to this channel, all right? So let's go ahead and get into it. Here's the packaging right here, and I'm going to show you everything that came in the packaging just like I usually do. So for those that don't know what headband wigs are, which could be quite a few people because of course my channel was mainly jobs, so some of you may not even know what they are, but these wigs are perfect if you have no hair or if you don't want to deal with any lace, you just want a simple wig, but you still want it to be high quality and also be able to curl it, be able to do different things with it. If you don't have any edges, if you have thin edges, these wigs are perfect for you, okay? Because they're just throw on and go, which is what we're all about right now. These wigs are human hair and they are attached to a headband, and it's a black headband, but you can put other headbands over it. So, I mean, like I said, it's just throw on and go. It's super simple. It's stylish. You can dress it up. You can dress it down. I mean, you just can't go wrong with these type of wigs. All right, so in the package, they gave me a bunch of headbands. I do believe you are going to get some headbands, but I don't believe it'll be this many. Also gave me a brush as well. So let's go ahead and look at the wig. This wig right here, like I said, it's a natural color mixed in with a 30, and the highlights are beautiful. The hair is soft. This is a silky texture. So depending on the texture of your hair, you may not want to leave too much hair out because it may not blend. Let's go ahead and check out the cap construction. You're going to get your adjustable straps. You have combs, and you do have your strap where you're going to, adjust for the headband wig, okay? So yeah, that is the construction of the wig. So now I want to go ahead and show you guys these headbands, okay? These are not no cheap headbands, no flimsy headbands. These headbands are high quality. I was super impressed by these headbands. I mean, they have stretch, they're thick, they're not cheap at all, okay? So yeah, you can always get headbands from anywhere, but the ones that come with this wig are definitely high quality. As I said a little while ago, you don't have to have any edges out. This is how I have my hair under my wigs, just a middle part ponytail. So, that's the way I do it, and it keeps everything flat and everything. And in the back, I just have my ponytail just kind of like tucked to the side with a hairpin. So that's how I'm going to wear mine, and I'm going to also put on 2 wig caps because I like mine's flat, but you don't have to do that at all. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on. It's super easy to put on. You can adjust your straps first, then go ahead and throw the wig on, and then adjust the headband part to your liking, and then that's pretty much it. You're good to go. So this is how it's looking right, when you put it on, and I am going to straighten this hair, and we're going to see how it looks, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a headband, but you don't have to do that. You can leave it with the black band if you choose to do so. So I'm going to go ahead and put some heat protectant on my hair. This is human hair, so you do have to treat it the same way as you would treat your regular hair. I am flat ironing this hair on 410 degrees, and it takes heat well, so we're going to go ahead and finish up flat ironing the hair. So I'm done flat ironing the hair. I'm just going to put a little bit of mousse at the top because it can be a bit puffy. So the mousse will definitely handle that. And I'm going to go ahead and take this first headband, which is my favorite color, turquoise. We're going to go ahead and put that on and see how it looks. So here's how it's looking with the first headband and the hair straightened. I mean, it's just gorgeous. I mean, it's so simple, but it's so pretty at the same time. And this hair is a really nice color. They did a good job on the color, and I just think that is absolutely gorgeous. It doesn't take long, and you can just throw it back on, you know, every day if you want to. So I'm just going to show it to you guys from all angles. Again, it's just gorgeous. I have no complaints. And again, you can do other things with this headband wig. You can throw it in a ponytail, whether it's a low ponytail or a high ponytail. I mean, it's totally up to you. So now I think I'm gonna go ahead and curl this hair, you know, just add some curls to it, some waves to it, and see how it looks. And then I'm gonna show you a couple more headbands. Done adding my curls in it, and I'm gonna go ahead and try this other headband. This is another gorgeous one, and this hair holds a curl really well. I did curl it on the same temperature, 410 degrees. So yeah, so let's go ahead and check this one out. And again, this is another gorgeous headband, another gorgeous look. Like I said, you're getting versatility, you're getting convenience, you're getting, I mean, what are you not getting with this wig? I mean, like I said, you can dress it up, dress it down. I mean, there are so many options and so much variety. And again, don't forget, you can change out the headbands. You can buy your own headbands, have a different headband every day of the month if you wanted to. So as far as the quality of the hair, I didn't get any shedding or any tangling or anything like that. The hair didn't have a smell. You take it out the bag, it's ready to go. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig or any other headband wigs from Niawigs, you can go ahead and check out the link in the description bar. Also, there will be a link to their social media information if you want to look at more pictures of the headband wigs. Of course, if you guys have any questions or if you have any comments, you can leave those below. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.